Welcome to the Support Center. My name is Tom. Let's look at the membership directory, also known as the family directory. And this is a tool that will list the families that are on your website from a family's point of view. So families that are logged in and only logged in families can actually see your directory information. So the first thing to do here is to make sure this tool is actually available to your families, and that's to add it to your navigation. So I'm logged into my admin site. I would go to Appearance, Navigation, and I can see it's not anywhere on my menu. So if I find it over here in Orphan, I can drag it, drop it where I want it. Maybe I'll put it there, change it to Secure Only, and save it. So now if I come back to my family site and I'm logged in, I refresh, here I'll see the directory, and if I click on directory, I'll see the families that are listed on my site. And you can see some information about those families right here. I can do some sorting and some searching, search by different fields. I can sort by different criteria as well. I can use the online directory feature to actually print my directory. It's a good way to print it. I can click on Google Map over here. It'll show my families, all of them in the directory if this feature is enabled for your site. I can come back here and see where an individual family lives by clicking on the View Map feature and zoom around as well to see where they live. Kind of some nice little features there. And then from an admin standpoint, if I come over here to the admin site again, there are some settings I can change. Go under Settings, Privacy and Security, and Privacy Options. And most of these settings pertain to the directory. So things like families. So what do I require families to have their address on the directory? Can families have the option to hide themselves completely from the directory? How about children, child birth dates? Those are all done right here on this. So again, that was under Settings, Privacy and Security, and Privacy Option is where I would change those things. So the first step is to add the directory to your navigation, and then you can go in and you can tweak some of the settings, find under Settings, Privacy Options. If you need further assistance, you can reach us through the link on your admin homepage. Simply click on Create a Ticket.